Tanning bed results after 1 week. Complete Guide 2025. Hey tanning fans, are you ready to achieve that sun-kissed glow you've been dreaming about? In just 1 week, you can see real, noticeable results using tanning beds the right way. Stick with us as we reveal the secrets to leveling up your tanning game in 2025. Preparation is everything. Begin with exfoliating your skin to remove dead cells. This ensures an even tan. Hydration is key. Moisturize daily and drink plenty of water to keep your skin plump and ready to soak in that golden glow. You'll thank yourself later. Before your first session, use a quality tanning lotion designed specifically for beds. These lotions accelerate results while protecting your skin. Bonus tip: avoid wearing makeup, perfume, or deodorant during sessions. They can cause uneven results. Consistency is your best friend. Start with short sessions, about 5 to 7 minutes per day, tailored to your skin type. Gradually increase session times over the week for safer, long-lasting results. Remember, overdoing it won't speed up your tan. It only risks burns and uneven coloring. Stick to your salon's recommendations for tanning schedules based on your skin tone. Lighter skin tones will need to build up slowly, while olive-toned skin can handle slightly longer sessions earlier on. We're documenting 1 week's progress, so let's break it down. By day 3, you'll notice subtle color changes, and your skin will start glowing. By day 7, expect to see that radiant, all-over bronze. Keep snapping photos to track your transformation. Want to enhance the results? Incorporate aftercare into your routine. Moisturize with aloe vera or tan-extending products to lock in your glow and prevent peeling. Trust us, this step is a game changer. Safety always comes first with tanning beds. Use protective goggles during every session, and don't forget SPF on sensitive areas like lips and tattoos. If your skin shows signs of irritation, give it time to recover before your next session. Healthy skin equals a healthier glow. Your week-long journey to tan perfection starts now. Follow this guide, and you're sure to boost your confidence with a stunning, natural bronze. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Share your tanning results using #TangLow2025, and let's inspire others to glow safely.